In this video, I'll show you how to remove or delete a repost on TikTok using your phone. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, you'll see all of your uploaded videos by default. Now, swipe left through the tabs near the top of your profile until you reach the Repost section. This tab is identified by the icon showing two arrows forming a circle. Here, you'll find all of the videos you've reposted. To remove a repost, simply tap on the reposted video that you want to delete. Once the video opens, tap on the Share button located on the right-hand side of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Remove Repost or Delete Repost, depending on your version of TikTok. TikTok will instantly remove the repost from your profile. You can then return to your Repost tab and refresh the page to confirm that the repost has been removed. And that's it. That's how you can delete a repost on TikTok. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tutorials.